Thank you for offering your help in testing this prototype. Would it be okay with you if we recorded this test?
Yes.
No one other than us and our professional will see this. The recording would be used strictly for educational purposes. This test is for our HCI and design final project. The project was to create a cooking app from scratch. So, don't feel bad if you don't understand something in the app or believe something should be changed. We are testing this app, not you. This is still the first round of testing, so there are a lot of things to improve upon. We would like this to be a speak aloud test. So while you're going through it, just kind of talk aloud. And that just means This helps us understand the thinking of the user while using the app, as well as making it easier to discover problems that the app has. The idea behind our app is to help users that have ingredients, but they just don't know what to make with them. The app allows you to enter items that you want to cook, and it'll bring up recommendations and recipes that you can make with them. It also recommends meals that you are available, or has the option to have someone deliver ingredients to you. This is completely interactive, a paper prototype, so all the buttons available work and will lead you to a new page. We are now going to give some scenarios that the app would be used for and have you test it out. So we'll get into this.
All right.
So your first thing, you were just went through your fridge and made this list of ingredients that you have, which is this paper right here, have to cook with. Can you open the Creative Eating app and add all these items to your list and then check your list?
So creative cooking.
Yep.
Now select eggs, bacon, milk, bread, chicken, tomato, search, I guess.
Yep. So you realize that tomato went, or not yet.
Lettuce.
Okay, not yet. Okay.
I'd have to type in lettuce.
Yeah.
Search. Done.
Okay, now it brings you back there. So
you're supposed to go to your list.
Yeah.
That was part of the.
My list.
That was the end. Probably.
Okay, I guess.
Thank you. So there's my list.
Okay, so at first you saw that the lettuce wasn't added, so
Right.
you added it from going to the search engine, and now it appeared on your list. So our second scenario is you realize that the tomato that you had went bad and cannot be used for cooking. Can you find out how to take it off your list?
Yeah, I would hit edit. Brings me back to this. Then I'll take the tomato off, delete, done.
And, okay. So now our scenario 3, since you completed 2, now that tomato is not on the list because you took it off, have the app create a recipe list based off the list of ingredients that you have. You are looking for a really quick meal, but also trying to bulk up. Can you figure out how to sort the recipe by time and calories to find the one best for you? Go to the recipe page for the recipe you have decided to make. So that's the whole thing. But break it down. The first step is to create a recipe list.
Generate recipe.
Yeah.
And then it was sort by
Time and calories.
Time and calories. So sort by time. Then sort by calories.
Now you want to bulk up, so you probably want the most calories. And then pick that one and go to the recipe that you wanted to make.
So then you just hit calories again, so it would be highest calories at the top,
Yeah.
right?
Or calories are on the side.
It
You see
only
it?
sorts from top to bottom.
So then I would just have to go to the last page, or just choose this bottom one.
Yeah.
Choose the bottom one.
Okay, now you are on the recipe that you chose with the most calories. So our next scenario would be if you are missing any ingredients, find out what they are, and the options it gives you to get them or make them the dish without them.
So get ingredients. So I have tomatoes, or I would just say select here, I guess.
Yeah.
Supposed to say like delivery.
So then you don't want to go to the store. You rather just get it delivered. So you decide to get the ingredient delivered to your house. You have used this app before, so assume any information they have about you is correct. You have cash and want to pay using that.
Next. Cash. Submit payment.
Okay, so then go back to your list to see if the item has been added automatically.
Back to list.
Yep, now you see like tomato
Right
came
there.
up.
Yep.
So then our next one is you want to start preparing to cook, so you go back to the recipe and find the directions.
So generate recipe. Directions.
Okay. And so now like this is going to another scenario. So the delivery has taken longer than you expected it would like to take. So you want to call the driver. Can you get back to the page with the information about the delivery?
Delivery information.
And
That's the last one.
you want to call the guy.
Yeah, and phone number's there.
Yep.